In this video, I'm going to show you how to fund Axiom Trade wallet. So the first thing you want to do is create an Axiom Pro account, and there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you will get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever, so make sure you check that out. Now, from here, once you have your account, to basically fund the Axiom Trade wallet, it's very easy. You want to go to top right over here, and in case you have multiple wallets, you want to first switch to the correct one. So just go over here, account and security, and then manage wallets. And in here, you will see your wallet. So if you click over here, if you have multiple, you'll be able to select which one you want to use as active. So I only have one, and that's the wallet I would like to basically fund. You can then go out of here with the X button, and then click deposit up here, which is basically how you fund. And once you click deposit, you can see the deposit button over here. You can see your balance, and then you can see your deposit address. So what you then want to do is either copy this deposit address via this button, and you can then just basically paste it in any of your wallets, and you can send your Solana from any of your other wallets. So for example, this can be Phantom or maybe MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Solarflare Wallet, or whatever it is, and you can just send Solana from there onto Axiom Exchange. However, if you don't have any of those wallets, you can also buy it by clicking buy over here, select how much you want to buy. So for example, 1 Solana, and then you want to press buy, which is powered by Coinbase. It will take you to Coinbase, where you will have to verify your information, and after that you'll be able to instantly buy this much Solana as you typed in here, and then basically fund your wallet that way. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.